WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm going to be doing in trading regarding Wolfspeed. And I'm the only guy in this freaking space. I'm the only lad that has actually done 42,000 videos and documented them all over just 5 years time period. Yeah, it's taken me 5 years, but in that time period, at least I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel. Not only that, I have so many previous receipts in the Discord server. Like 31 results pop up when you search Wolf in the analysis section, and you can see that like how this all began is when I really I have so many sell sides. I mean more than the buy side, because I only have one, and then compared to 4 sell sides. Here it was $10 at the time, 6 months ago. Last year, 10th of December. Since then I just kept taking it down, and now we're at 143, so 10 times less where we were beforehand there. So yes, only if there's a double break I'm going to look to take it further down, and if not, I guess it is what it is, you know. Like, last thing that I'll be doing is randomly selling. So yeah, if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated.